Welcome to all. Now let us start the session with the salutation to Rishi Patanjali. Gently adopt Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Repeat the prayer. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarottam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Release your hands. Just watch your breath. Slowly open your eyes. Gently release your legs and stretch your legs. Apart your legs at a comfortable distance. Now raise your hands up. Stretch your hands up, straightly raise your head up and look up. Breathe in, breathe out, touch your right leg. Breathe in, up, breathe out, left. Breathe in, up, breathe out, right. Breathe in, up, breathe out, left. Breathe in, up, breathe out, right. Breathe in, up, breathe out, left. Breathe in, up, breathe out, right. Breathe in, up, breathe out, left. Breathe in, up, breathe out, right. Breathe in, up, breathe out, left. Breathe in, stop and relax. Bring your hands down by the side, legs slightly close to each other. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now the twisting exercise. Apart your legs to a maximum comfortable level. Now let us start the twisting exercise by left hand to right leg. Start the practice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and relax. Rest your hands at the back, legs slightly close to each other, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Give a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now bring your legs together, heels, toes close to each other, hands at the back, Purva Uttanasana breathing. When you breathe in, you have to raise your hip up and take your head back. When you breathe out, you have to sit down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, 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 down. Stop the practice, legs apart, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Relax and feel the changes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now let us go to Shavasana position. Turn to left side and gently lie down in supine posture, Shavasana. Legs apart, hands slightly away from the body. Slowly bring your legs together, hands to the shoulder level. Now stretching exercise based on legs movement. Raise your right leg with inhalation. Inhale up, exhale right. Breathe in up, exhale down. Left leg in, breathe out left, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, right leg in, breathe out, right, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, left leg in, breathe out, left, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, right, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, right, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, left, breathe in, up, breathe out, relax. Bring your hands down, close your eyes, take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Now bring your legs close to each other. Twisting exercise based on legs movement. Raise your hands to the shoulder level. Let us start with the right leg. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in, up, breathe out, relax. Bring your hands down. Completely relax in Shavasana. Feel all the changes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently bring your legs together. Insert your hands under the body. Keep your elbows tight. Uttana Padasana breathing movement. Without touching the floor 10 times, raising the legs up and down by keeping the legs tight. Let us start with the inhalation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Relax. Release your hands, legs apart, hands away from the body, eyes closed. Feel all the changes. Now let us start the practice from standing position. Slowly bring your legs together. Turn the body to right side and gently come to standing position. Standing position. Let us start the practice from Trikonasana stretch. Apart your legs at a comfortable maximum distance. Hands to the shoulder level. First breathe in, breathe out right, breathe in up, breathe out left, breathe in up, breathe out right, breathe in up, breathe out left, breathe in up, breathe out right, breathe in up, breathe out left, breathe in up, breathe out right, breathe in up, breathe out left, breathe in up, breathe out right, breathe in up, breathe out left, breathe in and relax. Hands down, legs slightly closer, eyes closed. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now twisting exercise. Keep your legs parallel to the shoulders. Stretch your hands in front. Now let us start twisting from right side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Hands down, eyes closed. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. In the standing position, the next exercise based on backbone movement and pelvic movement. Let us start with inhalation. 1, 2, 3, right leg back, 2, right leg front, 1, up, 2, bend, 3, left leg back, 2, front, 1, up, 2, right, front, up, down, left, front, up, down, right, front, up, down, left, front, up, down. Relax. Close your eyes, feel the changes. Gently open your eyes. Now sit-ups. Catch hold of the ears by the hands by crossing your chest. First, breathe in, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, 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 and relax. Release your hands, close your eyes, feel all the changes in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Now let us take the prone position. Slowly sit down and place your head forward and lie down on your stomach. Makarasana position. From Makarasana, let us start the practice. Bring your legs together, point your toes, place your palms by the side of your ribs, point your toes. Bhujangasana, come up. Parvatasana, raise the hip up. Sashankasana, fold your knee joint and go to heels. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sashankasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sashankasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sashankasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sashankasana. Stay in Sashankasana for 5 rounds of breath. Relax the whole body in Sashankasana. Now from Sashankasana, straight away come to Vajrasana by dragging your hands towards the body. Sit straight in Vajrasana. Close your eyes and watch your breath for a few rounds. Gently open your eyes. Now let us start the practice of asanas. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Bring your legs together. Make your spine erect. Baddha Konasana, cobbler posture. Fold both the legs in the knee joints. Cover the toes by interlocking the fingers. Push your hip forward. Confirm the spine erect. Now start bending forward from hip, lower back, middle back, upper back. Finally, by bending the neck, drop your head down in front. Keep your elbows in the side, and in the final position, leave the whole body loose. Completely bend your neck and put your head down. Now leave the body and watch your breath. Now by bending the back of the neck, raise your head up. From Baddha Konasana, slowly with inhalation, raise up. Come to straight position, release your hands, close your eyes, gently stretch your legs forward, hands at the back, legs apart, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Feel all the changes, the effect of Baddha Konasana. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now bring your legs together. Confirm the spine erect. Janu Sirshasana. Fold your right leg to be folded. Place the right foot inside the left thigh, right heel close to pelvic. With inhalation, raise both the hands up by the side. Slightly raise your head up. Inhale, exhale, and slowly bend forward. Touch the left leg wherever is possible. It can be any part of your left leg. In the final position, leave your body loose and maintain the breath. Relax the whole body in the final position. Stay comfortably. Now stretch your hands in front. From Janu Sirshasana, with inhalation, come up. Raise your hands completely up and raise the head up. Close your eyes, exhale, bring your hands down. Gently stretch your right leg forward, hands at the back, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Relax and feel the changes. The influence of Janu Sirshasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes, bring your legs together, make your spine erect. Now fold your left leg and place the left foot inside the right thigh, left heel close to pelvic. With inhalation, raise both the hands by the side. Raise your head up, inhale, exhale, and slowly bend forward. Touch the right leg wherever is possible. And be comfortable in the final position. Leave your body loose. By bending the neck, drop your head in front completely. Now from the final position of Janu Sirshasana, stretch your hands in front. With inhalation, come up and raise your hands head up. Close your eyes, exhale, bring your hands down. Hands at the back, legs apart, head in the shoulder. Relax. Feel all the changes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Bring your legs together. Ushtrasana. By folding your legs, first right leg, then the left leg. Come to Vajrasana position. From Vajrasana, comfortably stand on your knees. Thighs and knees slightly apart. Place both the palms on your heels one by one at the back. Push your hip forward. Open your chest and shoulders widely. Leave your head at the back. Stay comfortably in the final position of Ushtrasana, the camel posture. Now slowly come up by releasing your hands one by one. Bring your knees and thighs together. Gently sit on your heels. Sashankasana, complementary. Tie your hands at the back. Gently bend forward. Gently bend forward and drop your head. Relax your shoulders. Be comfortable in the final position. Feel the pressure difference of your abdomen against your thighs. By bending the back of the neck, raise your head alone. With inhalation, completely come up. Release your hands. Gently stretch your legs one by one in the respective side. Legs apart, hands at the back, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Relax and feel the changes, the effect of Sashankasana. Take a deep breath, slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Vakrasana. Bring your legs together, make your spine erect. Fold your right leg, place the right foot close to left knee. Now exactly place the right palm in the back side of the body, straight to right foot. With inhalation, stretch your left hand up and turn the body to your maximum level to right side and drop your left hand outside of the right knee joint and right thigh. Twist your hip with effort and turn your head by right side. Close your eyes. Keep your left leg straight. Now be comfortable in the final position of Vakrasana and maintain your breath. Now slowly turn your head straight. With inhalation, raise the left hand up. Exhale, the left hand down and right leg straight. Legs apart, hands at the back, head in the shoulder. Relax. Feel all the changes, the influence of Vakrasana in the body. Now take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Bring your legs together. Vakrasana to the left. Make your spine erect. Fold your left leg. Place the left foot adjacent to right knee. The left palm at the back of the body, straight to left foot. Now stretch your right hand with inhalation and twist your body in the left side with exhalation. Drop your right hand outside of the left thigh and left knee joint. With effort, twist your hip some more and turn your head to the back. Turn your head to the back by left side. Close your eyes. Keep your right leg straight. Leave the body loose. Be comfortable in the final position of Vakrasana. Now slowly turn your head straight. With inhalation, raise the right hand up. Exhale, right hand down and left leg straight. Legs apart, hands at the back, head in the shoulder, eyes closed. Relax and observe the changes, the effect of Vakrasana in the body. Gently open your eyes. Slowly turn to left side and gently by sliding in the side, take the position of Shavasana, lying position. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. From Shavasana, let us go to Pavanamuktasana. Bring your legs together, hands close to the body. Gently fold your legs in the air. Interlock the fingers and cover your knee joints. With exhalation, completely press your thighs against the stomach by bending the elbows. Gently raise your head up and take your face close to the knee joint. With the next inhalation, slowly take your head down, release your hands and stretch your legs with exhalation. Relax in Shavasana. Feel all the changes, the effect of Pavanamuktasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently bring your legs together. Bhujapada Pitasana, otherwise called Setubandhasana. Fold both the legs and place your heels close to buttocks. Catch hold of the ankle joints by the respective hands. Gently with inhalation, raise your hip up. Flyover position. Back of the head, shoulders on the floor. Your foot on the floor. Hip completely raised up. Be comfortable in the final position of Setubandhasana or Bhujapada Pitasana. Maintain the breath normally. With the next inhalation, raise your hip some more up and with exhalation, slowly receive your hip down. Release your hands, stretch your legs, relax in Shavasana, close your eyes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Jatara Parivartasana. Bring your legs together, hands in the shoulder level. Fold your legs straight away in the air. Twist your hip in the right side and then stretch your legs completely in the right side. Turn your head to left side. Leave your left shoulder relaxed. Close your eyes. Be comfortable. Keep the body loose. Slowly bring your head straight. Fold your legs and gently make your hip straight. Give a deep breath. Eyes closed. Relax. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Bring your legs together. திருப்பி close your eyes சொன்னேனடா. Twist your hip completely to left. Then stretch your floor in the left side. Turn your head to right side. Now close your eyes. Leave the body loose. Relax. Jatara Parivartasana. Now slowly turn your head straight. Fold your legs and make your hip straight. With exhalation, stretch your legs down. Relax in Shavasana, hands down. Feel all the changes, the effect of Jatara Parivartasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Chakrasana. Fold your legs and place your heels close to buttocks. Maintain the distance between the foot parallel to the shoulders. Place both the palms in the side of your head by folding your elbows. Chakrasana. By pressing the floor with the help of your foot and palms, gently lift your body from hip, lower back, middle back, upper back, and finally by stretching your elbows, lift your shoulders completely up. Chakrasana. Be comfortable in the final position and maintain the breath. By folding your elbows, slowly bring your body down. Place the back of the head between the palms, then the shoulders, middle back, lower back, hip. Bring your hands down, then stretch your legs. Relax in Shavasana. Feel all the changes, the effect of Chakrasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Sarvangasana. Bring your legs together. Hands close to the body. Slowly with inhalation, lift your legs up. By pressing the floor by the arms, Lift your hip up, take your legs parallel to the floor above the head. Then slowly raise your legs up to the sky. Push your hip to the maximum level and give the support of your palms in the hip, lower back. Let your eyes be fixed on your big toes. Maintain the breath. Be comfortable in the final stage of Sarvangasana. Down, stretch your hands in the floor. With the support of your hands, receive your hip down. Then slowly bring your legs down with exhalation. Legs apart, hands open, eyes closed. Relax in Shavasana. Feel the effect of Sarvangasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Bring your legs close together. Bring your legs together, hands close to the body. Matsyasana. Take the position of Padmasana in your legs by folding the right leg first. If Padmasana is not possible, just be comfortable in Sukhasana. Give the position of Padmasana or Sukhasana to your legs. Then, by placing your palms in the side of your head, just like Chakrasana, place the palms by the side of your head. By pressing the floor, lift the upper part of the body, the shoulders and the head up. Bend the back of the neck in the back side and place the crown of the head on the floor. Then bring your hands down and catch hold of the big toes. Relax your hip and thighs. Be comfortable in the final position of Matsyasana. Release your hands. Give the support of your palms in the side of your face. By pressing the floor, lift your head and shoulders up and receive the upper back, middle back completely. Bring your hands down. Stretch your legs forward. Relax in Shavasana. Feel the effect of Matsyasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Standing position, total weight of the body spread over equally. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Tadasana. Keep your feet in the V shape. Both the hands slowly to be raised in the side of the body with inhalation. Interlock the fingers. Twist your wrist. At the same time, raise your heels up gently by fixing your eyes on one point. Always have a smile in the face. Feel your shoulders touching the ears. Stay there with normal breath. Balance the weight of the body on your toes. Now slowly bring your heels down and bring your palms straight. Release your hands, close your eyes, bring your hands by the side down. Feel all the changes, the normal blood flow in your hands, shoulder to fingertips, legs apart. Feel all the changes in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Bring your feet together, heels toes together. With inhalation, slowly raise your right hand up by the side and stretch the shoulder to the right ear. Then with the exhalation, slightly bend in the left side. Let the bend be a casual one, natural one, and stay there with normal breath. Feel the foot firmly established on the floor. Knee joints tight. Pressure in your left hip. Stretch from right hip to right shoulder. Look straight and maintain normal breath. With the next inhalation, slowly come up and stretch the right shoulder up. Close your eyes. With the exhalation, slowly bring your right hand down and feel the rushing blood in the right hand. Legs apart, feel all the changes in the body. Right half of the body will be light compared to left half. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes, bring your feet together. Now with inhalation, slowly raise your left hand up by the side. Maintain yourself relaxed. Stretch the shoulder to the ear. Now slightly bend in the right side as much as possible at your convenient level, comfortable level. Never overstrain yourself. Stay comfortably with normal breath. With the next inhalation, slowly come up, stretch the left shoulder up, close your eyes. With the exhalation, slowly bring your left hand down by the side. Feel the rushing blood from shoulder to fingertips in your left hand. Legs apart. Relax and feel all the changes in the body. The total lightness of the whole body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Ardha Chakrasana. Bring your feet together, heels, toes together. Ardha Chakrasana. Place both the palms in the joint of hip with lower back. Keep all the fingers together by pushing your palms slightly against your hip. Bend the backbone from lower back. Open your shoulders and leave your head back. Keep your eyes open. Keep your face relaxed and maintain normal breath. Don't bend your knee joints. Stay comfortably at your maximum level. Now slowly with the next inhalation come up. Now close your eyes, release your hands, legs apart. Feel all the changes in the body. Pressed backbone, back muscles and nerves. Stretched front portion of the body. Feel all the changes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Pada Hastasana. Bring your feet together. Raise both the hands up by the side. Let your palms face forward direction. Slightly raise your head up. With exhalation, bend forward from hip, lower back, then middle back. Finally the shoulders and drop your head down. Stay comfortably at your maximum level. Now stretch your hands in front. With inhalation, slowly come up. Raise your hands, head up. Close your eyes. With exhalation, bring your hands down by the side. Legs apart, eyes closed. Relax and feel all the changes in the body. The excess blood flow to the head. Pressure in your abdomen. Stretch in the back. Let everything become normal. Vrikshasana, tree posture. Slightly raise your right heel alone. Fix the eyeballs on one point. With the help of your vision support, slowly lift your right leg up and place the right foot inside the left thigh. Gently raise the hands to the shoulder level. With inhalation, completely raise the hands up. Paste the palms in the air. Stretch your shoulders up. With the help of your vision, you can stay in stable position. Now slowly bring your hands by the side. Catch hold of the ankle, release your leg, receive the leg down. Close your eyes. Feel the weight of the body sharing equally in both the legs. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Vrikshasana to the left. Feel the weight of the body in your right foot. Slightly lift your left heel alone. By fixing the eyeballs on one point at a distance, slowly lift your left leg up and place the left foot inside the right thigh. Gently raise both the hands to the side. Stretch your hands up and paste the palms in the air. With the help of your vision, fix the mind and let the mind fix the body in a stable position. Now slowly bring your hands down by the side. Catch hold of the left ankle, release the left leg receive the left leg on the floor. Close your eyes. Feel the changes. Feel the difference in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Trikonasana. Legs apart, 2.5 to 3 feet. Hands to the shoulder level. With exhalation, gently bend in the right side. Touch the right leg wherever is possible by right palm. Your left palm facing forward direction. Turn your head and look at the upper palm. Your left palm facing forward direction. Now slowly bring your head down. With inhalation, raise the body up. And with exhalation, slowly bend in the left side. Trikonasana to the left. Turn your head and look at the upper palm. Maintain normal breath. Turn your head down. With inhalation, slowly raise the body up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Legs slightly close to each other. Eyes closed. Feel all the changes. The effect of Trikonasana in the body. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes. Take the position of Shavasana, lying position. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Concentrate on your toes. Relax your toes. Sensitize the sole. Relax the ankle joints. Relax the calf muscles. Relax your knee joints. Relax your thighs. Relax the buttocks. Gently suck your anus in. Release and relax. Relax the hip joint and hip muscles. The lower part of the body is completely relaxed. For further relaxation, let us chant one akara. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of akara in the lower part of the body. Enjoy the vibrations. Relax your stomach completely. Relax the lower back. Relax the middle back. Now bring your concentration to the side of the body, the ribs. Relax your ribs. Relax the armpit. With a deep breath, relax your lungs, chest muscles. Try to concentrate on your heartbeat and relax your heart. Let the concentration flow up and down in the backbone. Relax the backbone. Now bring the concentration to your hands. Relax the shoulder joints. Relax your biceps and triceps. Relax your elbows. Relax the forearms. Relax your wrists. Relax the palms in and out. Relax the beautiful fingers one by one. Now bring your concentration to the neck. Relax the neck. For further relaxation of the upper part of the body, let us chant Ukara. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of Okara in your stomach and chest. Relax completely. Now bring the concentration to the back of the head. Relax the back of the head. Relax the crown of the head. Relax your forehead. With a gentle movement, relax your eyebrows. In the closed eyes, gently move your eyeballs to left and right. Relax your eyes. Relax your nose. Relax your cheeks. Relax the ears. From the bottom of the ears, relax your chin. Inside the mouth, relax the teeth and tongue. With a beautiful smile, relax your lips. For further relaxation of your head, let us chant Makara in closed mouth. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of Makara in your head. We have relaxed our body part by part. Our body is lying on the floor just like a peacock feather. Appreciate the lightness of the body. At the same time, feel the heaviness of the body based on the flow of pranic energy. From this stage, let us chant one Omkara. Inhale. Om. Feel the vibrations of Omkara from your toes to head, spreading in a wave pattern. From the depth of relaxation, let us come back gradually. Give a gentle movement to your toes and fingers. Slowly turn your head to right and left. Gently roll your legs in and out. At the same time, hands in and out. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands close to the body. Stretch your left hand above the head on the floor. Fold your right leg at the knee joint and turn the body gently to left side. Place the head in the left shoulder, left biceps, the right palm on the right thigh. Just like a kid, enjoy the relaxation of Shavasana in the side position. By placing the right palm in front of the chest on the floor, eyes remaining closed, gently come to sitting position. Padmasana, Sukhasana, or in Vajrasana. Watch the natural flow of breath. the lightness of the body which we gained based on the practice of asanas. Nadi Shuddhi, Nasika Mudra in the right hand. Fold the index and middle finger. Close the right hole by thumb. Start the inhalation through left hole. Close the left hole and exhale through right. Inhale through right, close the right and exhale through left. Inhalation through one nostril and exhalation through the other nostril. Continue the Nadi Shodhana, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama alternately. As this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama cleanses all the nadis in the body, this practice is called Nadi Shuddhi also. We started with left inhalation. Now let us stop with left exhalation and bring the right hand down. Adopt Bhairavi Mudra. The right palm placed in the left palm. Both the palms placed in the laps close to navel region. Feel the effect of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Effortless breathing process. Peaceful status of the mind. From this stage, let us practice Brahmari Pranayama, producing the sound of female honeybee. Let the tongue touch the upper palate. Inhale. 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 The last round. Inhale. Inside the mouth, leave the tongue. Feel the vibrations of Brahmari in the head.
May this peaceful, comfortable, disease-free status remain with us throughout our life. Let all be comfortable. Let everyone be free from diseases. Everything to be taken care well, and let us not suffer with any problems. Gently adopt Namaskar Mudra. Prayer for the sake of whole society. Sarve bhavantu naha. Sarve santu niramayaha. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। Rub your palms. Gently apply the warm massage on the face, ears, cheeks, neck, shoulder to fingertips, hip to legs. By looking at your palms, gently with few blinks, open your eyes. Thank you for the cooperation.